Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a dimension line as a drawing into your pages on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your page here on LibreOffice Draw. And what you want to do is click into that arrow down icon next to the arrow line here on the left hand side amongst these drawing tools and select this option, dimension line. After that, start drawing it by setting the start point with your left mouse. Hold your left mouse, set the angle. You will see the angle in number here. And you may also make the dimension line longer and release your left mouse again to set the endpoint. And now you have that dimension line here. You will see the properties opening up here to the right so that you may, for example, customize the rotation, as you can see, the position and some other stuff, but you can of course click into your dimension line and move it along your canvas here, or click into these endpoints and adjust the dimension, as you can see here, while keeping these start and end lines here basically in the same spot. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.